How to create playlists on SiriusXM. Open the SiriusXM on your smartphone or tablet or access SiriusXM through their web player on your computer. Log into your SiriusXM account with your username and password while listening to a song, show, or channel you like. Look for the three-dot menu icon. Tap or click on the menu and select the option to add to library or add to favorites. This creates a collection of your preferred channels or shows. To organize your favorites, navigate to your library or favorite section in the app or web player. Here you can browse and access all your saved channels, shows, or personalized artist stations. If you want a playlist experience centered around artists you like, explore the personalized station feature, which creates custom channels based on your favorite artists and songs. Unfortunately, SiriusXM does not allow users to build custom playlists by selecting individual songs manually like some other streaming services. However, using the add to library and personalized stations features achieves a similar effect. For easier access, you can also set reminders or notifications for shows or artists by enabling push notifications in the app settings. Subscribe.